Unit 1, Lesson 1. How many and how much? We used how many with countable nouns. Remember, we can count these nouns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many cats are there? There are 7 cats. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 balls. How many balls are there? 1. There is 1 ball. How many cakes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cakes. How many planes are there? There are 8 planes. How many rainbows are there? There is 1 rainbow. How many colors are there? There are 7 colors. How many kids are there? There are 3 kids. How many clouds are there? There is 1 cloud. We use how much with uncountable nouns. Remember, we cannot count these nouns. How much milk is there? There is a lot of milk. How much ice cream is there? There is some ice cream. How much soup is there? There is a lot of soup. How much sugar is there? There is a lot of sugar. How much paper is there? There is some paper. How much wood is there? There is a little wood. How much metal is there? There is a lot of metal. Here are some common uncountable nouns: bread, chocolate, fish, meat, tea, water, coffee, salt, sand, glue, paper, wood. Remember, we don't use are with uncountable nouns. How much oil is there? There is a lot of oil. Let's review. We use how many with countable nouns. How many balloons are there? There is 1 balloon. How many balloons are there now? There are 10 balloons. We use how much with uncountable nouns. How much rice is there? There is some rice. How much rice is there now? There is a lot of rice. Now let's practice with our books and workbooks. Happy practicing!